Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Couchsurfer. Today we have Larizza.
Hello!
From obviously
Argentina, the best country in South America.
Hello everyone! First, she's gonna show us how to make
Mate.
mate. It's
a traditional drink from my country, and everyone drink it. Also, they drink it in Paraguay and Uruguay, but it's more common in my country. Yes, that's the main ingredient for this.
And you need one of these?
And you need one of this, which is made with skin of pumpkin skin.
Okay.
So we put this. We have to put more, so I don't put in the left one. We put it like a lot, like this. And then you see the the dust. We try to take out the dust a little bit. So we come here where we can do this. And we take out.
Okay.
So then we put this here, like in a small hole that we make there. And then there are two ways of drinking mate. One way is just pour hot water and that's it. And then another way is to put a little bit of mint or another flavor, like, I don't know, a little bit of coffee as well if you want to add more flavor on. Or if you feel like it is too strong, we add a little bit of sugar or sweetener, stevia, something more healthy that you want. But now we're going to try the bitter one.
Okay.
Let's see if you can pass this. Mate. Okay, you're ready?
Okay.
Okay, so this one is the bitter one. Then I'm going to let you try the sweet one, and then you say which was your favorite. Take it easy because it can be very hot for you.
Okay.
How does it taste?
It tastes good. It tastes like some kind of tea,
like a very strong tea, like probably green tea, the closest.
Strong green tea. Warm. Right.
Okay, so this is the sweet one, and we add right there where the straw is. Probably it looks like it is a lot, but then it will get loose.
This is what I love about having guests from other countries. You get to try these things you would never get to try when you were in Norway. Okay?
Be careful because it's hot.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Slowly.
Yeah, there I think I felt the sweet spot. Alright, and soon we are gonna cook. Right, so
we are going to do the starter, which is nothing Argentine, but it's something that I just invented.
You invented it? Wow.
I invented it right now. So it has mushrooms, garlic, lots of garlic, and fresh basil from Avon's plants in the balcony. That's so cute. We put a little bit of salt, pepper. This is for the starter that I just invented. So this is an invention. The name is Larizza in Norway. In Norway.
Larizza en Noruega.
Exacto, Larizza en Noruega. Oh, is it different?
I've never ever tried this before.
And the verdict?
I don't think many people have, but it's good.
And here is for the main, and I'm doing some boiling some potatoes. But the main ingredients for this one is breast chicken, very lean, lots of protein, onions, pepper, red pepper, rice, tomato, and kurkuma. And then I will add some veggies and the potato. I'm adding the chicken here. These onions. So now it's almost ready, the chicken, the onions, the pepper, and I'm going to add garlic, fresh basil. So I'm adding boiled water. Just that, and rice. This is a guiso. The name of this is guiso Carrero, and we wait till the rice gets cooked. Kurkuma, which in my country is condimento para arroz. So we add this, and also this, which is killing.
It's like chicken spice.
Chicken. I will put here, so I will know.
That much?
No, that much. Just a little bit. And pepper.
It smells so good here right
So
now.
now is the turn for these little things, the potatoes and a mix of other veggies. So you see it's very healthy. Add a little bit of curry. Yay! It's getting close to that. And then tomato.
Oh, now you put it. I think you need a bigger opening there.
Ooh! It's ready! Okay, so we have here el famoso guiso. Arriba,
Arriba,
abajo,
abajo,
al centro,
al centro,
pa' adentro.
adentro. Time to taste the Argentinian dish.
What do you think?
Bueno,
Muy bueno.
muy bueno.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, like I didn't cook it.
Thanks for watching this Argentinian cooking with the Couchsurfer video. And I see you in the next video.